Alright, this one I was out on, it was day after Thanksgiving. Customer changed the filter, and then like a few weeks later, she's like, oh, it's dark black. I had talked to her, hold on, I'm trying to find the address here. I talked to her this week, and she said the filter's fine, everything's fine, she's just not getting airflow in 2 of the rooms. So I think we got some flex duct disconnected or crushed or something. So we're going to get in the small crawl space,
your destination on your left.
if I can fit. Where's this place at? If I can fit in there. I mean, it's small. Might have to have Mikey come down here and give me a hand, because 46, I don't know. Oh, crap.
You have reached your destination, 4680 Griswold Road. It is on your left.
Might have to have Mikey come down here and help me, because I might not be able to get back in this crawl space. So I will take you down there. Oh boy. Get some gloves on. Hopefully it's not wet down there.
Yeah, I'm hoping not. I know there was one spot, like right pretty much as soon as you opened it up before, where there was water collected, but that was like during the rainy season, during the summer, yeah.
Jeez, I can't even. Yeah, it's a little damp. Yeah. Oh boy. I'm already cramped up.
Yeah.
Got a Charlie horse.
Oh.
You said, hold on. And
Yep, yeah, there's gonna be one that way, and then far side, opposite corner.
the crawl space is open, and I just seen a cat come out of there.
Really?
Yeah. I just scared him out.
Huh. Okay, so I found a way through that little side gap over there. So there's like a little port on the side.
Yeah. Oh. Can't even see where this stuff goes. Oh, it's... Oh, my flashlight isn't charged all the way. She said she does. Oh, jeez. Now this is a crawl space. Oh boy, I can't even get back there. I don't even know where this stuff goes. Battery's not charged. Looks like everything is connected that I can see. Oh boy. I'm gonna have to get Mikey down here. Wow. Oh jeez. Or one of our installers. Oh my Lord. That goes, oh geez. I see the problem. I got 6-inch T, 6-inch. Goes back there. So that's why they're not getting any flow there. That would be the problem. It's not a straight run. Oh! Man. Oh, gee. Yeah, it's the same thing over there. It's teed. There's nowhere to... There's nowhere to even get a runoff. I see. Oh boy. Let me get up out of here. If I can. Oh boy, that's a treat.
Right?
Alright, so what's going on? Well, that was certainly interesting. There's no room to run off that ductwork that's down there, and that's the reason why they originally did that. Because there's no room to actually put other runs on there to run direct runs to the actual rooms. And come to find out, there was a boot laying down in the basement that I could barely get to, or I could have got to it, but it's just, you know, I didn't have any authorization to do any work. They just wanted to find out what was going on. So that boot fell down from the bathroom because they said the bathroom's frigid cold. So someone had drilled holes in the tile, the ceramic tile, and I don't know, the boot fell down or something. So there's just no room down there. I don't know what she's going to want to do. I don't know if she's going to want to try to get larger ductwork in there, tee it off and damper it. Not sure. But there's nothing I could have did today. I mean, that crawl space was so small. I barely fit in there. I'm a skinny dude, but I'm not that skinny. So that's some of the treats I run into up in this area. Small crawl spaces. Usually crawl spaces are pretty good, but that one was pretty small. Alright guys, I will see you on the next one.